Whispers circulating across the global drone community have officially reached a fever pitch, and if the latest structural leaks from supply chains are any indication, aerial filming, as we know it, is on the verge of a seismic disruption. What you're looking at right now is not merely an incremental refresh or a routine cosmetic overhaul, but a complete rethinking of what ultra-compact personal drones can accomplish when pushed to the absolute engineering limit. The micro-drone market spent years trapped in a repetitive cycle of minor sensor updates and modest battery tweaks. But the upcoming DJI Neo 3 completely shatters that predictable dynamic with hardware architectural leaps that seem almost improbable for a frame weighing under 200 grams. Welcome back to my channel Tech Rivet for exclusive insights into the future of tech, where today we are diving deep into the definitive rumors, full design leaks, engineering breakdowns, and an exclusive hands-on unboxing experience of the highly anticipated DJI Neo 3. If you have been waiting for a truly intelligent, toss-in-your-backpack flying camera that completely eliminates the friction of traditional drone operating, this might be the most important piece of personal technology released this decade. Tearing open the minimal, eco-friendly retail packaging reveals immediately just how much thought was poured into the refined physical profile of this third-generation flight platform. Slid smoothly out of its protective, recycled, molded inner shell, the main fuselage of the DJI Neo 3 feels noticeably more rigid and streamlined than its predecessors, sporting an ultra-dense polycomposite skeleton that feels both indestructible and feather-light in the palm of your hand. Inside the box, you are greeted by the drone itself, pre-installed with full-coverage flexible propeller guards, alongside a newly redesigned magnetic charging hub, 3 high-density intelligent flight batteries, a high-speed USB-C transmission cable, spare low-noise propeller blades, a quick-release lanyard, and a refined compact controller module. Every single component in this unboxing lineup communicates a clear philosophy from the engineering team, which is that high-end aerial cinematography should require zero setup friction, zero calibration stress, and zero technical barrier to entry for creators on the move. Examining the body up close, the most striking physical evolution on the Neo 3 is the integration of an upgraded multi-directional obstacle avoidance array seamlessly built into the aerodynamic duct structure itself. Where earlier iterations relied primarily on down-facing optical positioning and basic forward proximity detection, the Neo 3 incorporates miniaturized wide-angle vision sensors nestled directly into the leading edges of the frame and the rear exhaust contours. This means that whether the aircraft is executing an automated tracking maneuver backward through a dense forest canopy or performing an orbiting circle around a moving vehicle, the onboard computer continuously builds a real-time, three-dimensional map of its immediate surroundings. The enclosing duct prop guards are no longer passive plastic rings either. They have been sculpted using an advanced carbon-reinforced mesh that increases structural rigidity during accidental impacts, while simultaneously improving aerodynamic thrust efficiency by smoothing air intake across the rotor tips. Positioned right at the nose of the fuselage sits the newly upgraded camera assembly, which represents an unbelievable generational leap for personal micro-drones. Suspended on an ultra-compact 2-axis mechanical gimbal coupled with advanced electronic image stabilization, the primary camera module features a newly developed stacked CMOS sensor capable of capturing crisp native 4K resolution video at up to 60 frames per second, along with full dynamic range HDR video modes. The lens aperture has been widened significantly, allowing vastly more light to strike the larger sensor surface, which translates into drastically improved low-light noise control and rich detail during golden hour shots or dimly lit urban environments. Furthermore, the internal memory capacity on the aircraft itself has been expanded generously, allowing creators to shoot high bitrate video footage directly onto the drone without immediately needing to stop and insert external memory cards or offload files midway through an active shoot. Under the hood, the internal wireless communication architecture has received one of the most substantial upgrades in the entire platform history. Powered by the latest iteration of DJI proprietary high-throughput video transmission technology, The Neo 3 establishes a rock-solid, ultra-low latency connection back to your smartphone or dedicated controller, even in congested suburban areas packed with competing radio frequencies. This upgraded transmission pipe allows for crystal-clear 1080p live preview feeds at silky smooth frame rates across extended ranges, eliminating the frustrating video stutter and sudden feed cutoffs that previously plagued lightweight aircraft operating around dense foliage or concrete obstacles. Even more impressive is the seamless background syncing feature, which automatically initiates high-speed, direct Wi-Fi transfers of your raw footage to your mobile device the moment the aircraft lands back on your palm. Speaking of palm takeoffs, the intelligent automated flight modes packed into the software suite of the Neo 3 have undergone a complete algorithmic transformation driven by next-generation onboard artificial intelligence. By tapping the top-mounted Quick Mode selector button, users can cycle instantly between intelligent subject tracking, dynamic orbit paths, soaring rocket shots, dramatic cinematic flyaways, and brand new complex spiraling maneuvers without ever needing to pair a physical remote controller. The subject recognition algorithm no longer relies strictly on basic contrast or color matching. Instead, it uses advanced pose estimation models to identify human subjects, cyclists, pets, and vehicles even when they temporarily pass behind trees, power poles, or architectural structures, reacquiring the target instantly the moment they re-emerge into line of sight. Power management and flight endurance have always been the critical battlegrounds for sub-200-gram drones, and the battery technology packed into the Neo 3 represents a brilliant masterclass in chemical density optimization. The new intelligent flight batteries utilize high-voltage lithium cells configured with integrated thermal management circuits, granting the aircraft extended flight times that push well beyond what was previously thought physically achievable in this weight category. When combined with the improved motor efficiency and lighter structural alloys, pilots can expect real-world flight sessions that allow for multiple full cinematic maneuvers per charge without constant battery anxiety. The included multi-battery charging hub has also been upgraded with bidirectional fast-charging technology, allowing it to act as a high-capacity power bank to juice up your phone or controller when working out in remote outdoor locations. Acoustic performance has also seen a dramatic improvement, addressing one of the most common user requests from previous micro-drone generations. Through extensive computational fluid dynamics modeling, the blade geometry of the four rotors on the Neo 3 has been completely redesigned with serrated trailing edges and specialized pitch angles that shift the acoustic signature of the drone down into a much lower, less intrusive frequency band. Instead of the high-pitched, buzzing sound typical of small aircraft, the Neo 3 produces a gentle, low-frequency hum that vanishes into ambient background noise just a few meters away, making it far more discreet and pleasant to fly around groups of people or sensitive natural habitats. For creators looking to publish across modern content platforms, the software suite within the Neo 3 includes full native support for vertical aspect ratio recording without compromising image quality through cropping. By utilizing the full vertical span of the newly upgraded square format camera sensor, the drone can record stunning native 9:16 video clips directly out of the camera, perfectly formatted for immediate sharing on short-form video feeds. Combined with advanced automated audio sync technology that records high-fidelity voice tracks directly through your connected mobile device or wireless microphone, while filtering out rotor sound via real-time noise cancellation, recording polished, professional-grade vlog intros, and full narrative voiceovers in the field has never been easier.